Hello, Uwe Inborg from Wolfthrone Studios. The last episode I mixed the song that I recorded for the purpose of this tutorial, and today we're going to master the track. And yeah, let's jump straight into Reaper. Alright, so now we're inside Reaper. When I master a song, I like to start by listening and see what first impressions would do. Of course, I have my go-to master chain that I will go through in just a second for you. First, let's just listen the whole song because it's just 1 minute. See if we react to something. Here we go. Alright, what I at least hear immediately is that some of the mid frequencies in the sides seem to clash a little bit with the mid signal. So what I will do is start by processing a little bit the sides, see if I can find those frequencies. Basically, what I will do now is I master this track as I would do on a normal mastering day. So, I will not talk too much. It will be like the last episode. You can watch me work without explaining too much what I'm doing. Because when I'm doing this, especially in mastering, I want to work quick when my ears are as fresh as possible. So, here we go. I like to compress the sides also to get it as wide as possible. If the sides are pretty consistent, it will give you the impression that the mix is super wide. You will notice it when I show you later. Between 1 to 3 dBs should be enough. yeah, I think that's it. So that was my quick approach with the mastering chain and how I normally do when it comes to mastering. So I will probably keep doing more of these videos if you guys want to see more tutorials how to make proper black metal productions. Thank you for watching.